Oh, I think it's going great. It's impressive, the size of the building. At this point in time, it's kind of hard to tell what it's going to look like when it's finished, but from a project standpoint, you can tell that they're seem to be on schedule and everything is going exactly how it should be. Project's going great so far. We've had a number of buildings that we've shipped to already. The material's been installed. Obviously, the contractors are doing a great job with it, and there's several phases that are still left to come, so we'll probably be shipping throughout the winter for it. I love it, especially when you see a big row of wall and just lined up all across. You've got our stamp, you know it's our product. It's a sense of pride for us. Again, every time we drive by it and our employees drive by it, you can actually see our Matandi building right outside the window. So it's a sense of pride for us, and to know that we're part of this project and others throughout the city.